Good morning, everybody. Okay, we're going to do a quick lesson on 2 out of the 6 of our sight words today. You're going to need your reader's notebook. We're going to be on page 52, 5-2. These are the 2 words that we're going to practice today. Okay, I'm going to write them down on our boards. You can write them if you'd like to. The first one is he. Let me show you. He. When you're talking about he, you're talking about a man or a boy. Just like when we did she, I think it was last week, we're talking about a girl or a lady. So he, what I want you to do to practice this, let me erase this, on your board or your paddle, whatever you have, or piece of paper, write the word with me 3 times, and I want us to say it. So we're going to write H-E, he. H-E, he, and one more time, H-E, he. So I want you to practice 3 times, okay? Then we're going to go over that second word, which is no. I know we know that word. N-O. No means that you don't want to do something or you don't want something. So when you say yes, that's the opposite. Okay, so N-O, no. Let's do it again. N-O, no. N-O, no. So you should have written your sight words 3 times. Have a grown-up help you with those words on your board. Okay, and when you're finished, you can always go back and check this video. If I went too fast for you, you can stop it. But we're going to do page 52. I'm going to go over it, do one example, and then I'm going to have you go ahead and work on it. Okay, so here's he and no. First thing you always do is put your name, and you can even put the shortcut date that we talked about in morning meeting. You can put that right over here on the dotted line if you'd like. Okay, so remember, we always have these picture clues to help us. So we're going to read number 1, then we're going to look at the picture and then see which of these sight words fits correctly in the sentence, okay? So it says, blank can get a pet. Is it he can get a pet or no can get a pet? And look at the picture clue. Right, he. Now, before you go and write that, boys and girls, you need to make sure, what do you need at the beginning of your sentence? Always start a sentence with a uppercase. So we're going to make that H straight down, and right on the dotted line across. Uppercase. Then we're going to do our E, like we practiced on our paddles. He can get a pet. Now don't cross them out because we have 3 more. You might need he again. So you're going to read it, can have a grown-up help, and then look at the picture clue and see which of these sight words will fit correctly in the sentence. Remember, say the words with me. He, no. All right, awesome. You can even rainbow write your words on a paddle or on a piece of paper with different colors. Sometimes that helps me because I think it looks kind of cool and fun. Or you could do the activity I posted in our Week at a Glance with the circles and then using the crayons and watercolors. Parents, that's in there on Monday, I believe. There's a video from Pinterest that's kind of cool. Or you could be outside today using that sidewalk chalk and writing them all over the place outside. So lots of different things that you can do. And we have that Word Wall Hall of Fame on Friday. I already have 1 student on there for this week. So I'm hoping to get all of you on there by Friday. Okay? All right, good luck, and I will see you guys later.